Good morning, everybody. Hello.
Good morning.
It's day 11. Today we're gonna cross back to Bari with the
Jadrolinia ferries.
Jadrolinia ferries. It's recommended to get the tickets way before because it's the peak season. To get the tickets before. It's supposed to leave at 11. It's starting boarding at 9:30, and there's an office, and you go and do the check-in in that office prior to the boarding. So we arrived here at around 8, and it's gonna board at 9:30.
Cost us how much, Chris?
150, I think, with lunch included.
Lunch
It was
included,
motorbike, passenger, and lunch included. We'll see you once we're boarding the ship, guys. See ya. So we just gave them the documents, the tickets, and now we're heading in. Let's go. Very easy process. So you just go to the check-in, in the office just outside the port. They'll give you the tickets. Then you come here, you show them those tickets, and you board the ferry. And this is the ferry over here. We'll wait till they direct us where we need to go. And it's very important that you take your stuff with you during the trip, because it's forbidden to go downstairs for your stuff. So whatever you need, just take it up with you, because then they won't let you go down for your stuff. The weather is good, the wind is good, we shouldn't have any problem. So. So they just secure the bikes over here, and we're gonna go up into level 3. And this is the ship on deck 3. It looks quite nice, to be honest. It's comfortable. It's very well kept inside, it's clean. So it's very good value for money, to be honest. I thought it's gonna be much worse. And this is from where you board. This is the back of the boat. This is from where we just got in. And this level 3. So see you later, guys. We're gonna have a coffee, and hopefully it won't take long till it will set sail. We just left Dubrovnik and to the first half an hour of the trip back to Bari. We're just enjoying the last panoramic views of the Balkans. But Montenegro this year really impressed me. It's such a beautiful country. We'll definitely will be back. So there's plenty of things to explore in Montenegro. We'll be back here, just the sea, the mountains, beautiful mix. So yeah, see you Balkans soon. We just arrived into the port of Bari. We are making our way out to the port of Bari. We just arrived. The trip was a very comfortable trip. We left at 11 sharp, and at 6:15 we just got inside to the port, and it's at the moment 6:50 and we're making our way out. It was a very comfortable ride. If you opt for the food, if you opt for lunch, it's quite a good lunch as well. So we're gonna drive around 1 hour and a half. We have around 147 kilometers to reach our hotel, and we stay for the night. So we improve for the morning, so it will be easier in the morning. Not we'll do it all the way to Sicily. We'll see you later, guys. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Good morning.
It's day 12. It's our last day. We are in a place. We slept in a hotel called Hotel Siris, and it was we paid 75 euros. Let's say it was a comfortable bed, a shower. That's all you need. Now we have 300 kilometers to Villa San Giovanni, all autostrada. But we have something exciting that once we'll go to Sicily, I visit this place, it makes me happy always. So we'll see you later. Ciao guys.
Ciao, good day.
We just arrived into Reggio di Calabria, Villa San Giovanni, and we're gonna board the ship to Messina. And this is gonna be the ship over here. Quite an easy process. You present the ticket and that's it. Alright, here we are. Sicily, here we come. See you later after the trip when we arrive in Messina, guys. Ciao! Good afternoon, everybody. Currently it's 2:30. So we left Messina at around 11:30, 12. By the time we refueled the bikes and stuff like that, we drove all the way to a place called San Michele di Ganzaria. This is the view over here. And here is very close to my heart because there's a restaurant and there's a hotel that are my friends, you can say. This is called Ristorante Pomara over here. And they make dinner and lunch with wood fire. They have the best antipasti and stuff like that. So we love it over here. So that's the boys. Let's say what we're gonna eat. We're gonna have the antipasti and primo, secondo, full. Now is the last dinner. What do you think, guys?
We are hungry.
Hungry, Jose?
Very hungry. I'm very hungry.
Adrian.
Tired, yes, okay, but it's very shocking here. It's always fantastic. It's good food. Yes, it's time to relax. After how many? 475 kilometers.
Yeah.
Something like that. It was quite tough and hot. But no, we relax. We have 2 hours break. We'll eat. And I'm wind up ourselves, and then we head up to the trip event. So we go back.
We have around 108 kilometers, so it's okay. So we just had lunch on our last lunch on the way to the catamaran. So currently it's 15:45. We're going to get the catamaran. It leaves at 7, and we have around 1 hour and a half to reach the catamaran. So we had a nice lunch. My favorite spot in Sicily. It's like a family to me. Hotel Pomara, Ristorante Pomara. You can find them in San Michele di Ganzaria. It's like 1 hour and a half away from Catania. So if you'd like to come visit there, everything is freshly made and authentic Sicilian cuisine. Anyway, we're gonna enjoy the last bit of road to go to the catamaran, because it's like very mountainous here, so there's a nice stretch of mountain road. We'll enjoy this. As you can see, S124, nice roads, and we go to the catamaran. Anyway, enjoy the ride with me, the last bit. This is day 12, the end of our holiday. That is the catamaran. We are waiting to get boarded. These are our bikes. The results speak for themselves. How did your holiday go, boys?
Tired, but very nice.
Nice experience.
So we'll leave you to it. I hope you enjoyed the documentary of our trip. How did it go and everything? We enjoyed doing it anyway.
It's gonna help our tips about the trip, whatever we can help. We are not professionals, but from our experience we can share our tips about the trips.
Yeah, so basically if somebody needs tips, yeah, it's a good tip Adrian mentioned. We can help somebody, whoever needs something, information. We've been to the places that we've been, we can help them out. Anyway, we'll see you soon. Ciao.
For the next one.
Ciao. Hey everyone, and that's the end for the series From the Med to the Balkans, which we covered 2,800 kilometers, 5 countries, and 12 days later. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you haven't watched the other videos, please go to my channel and you can find them all there. Thanks so much for the love and support you're showing me through this journey. I hope some of these videos has been some inspiration for you, and see you for the next one.